Hi, welcome to 4.2 in Signing Naturally, lecture on the homework and some clarification of signs. This is a fairly simple subunit on forming negative response using the simple sign no and the head shake for no, or yes and the head shake for yes. Also for answering questions, if someone were to ask you, are you married? Then I could say, I'm not married, or I'm not, or no, I'm not married. So not with the A hand shape with the thumb coming underneath the chin. So not like that. And I don't think they go to it in this chapter, but there's also another negation called for don't, often used as a command or sometimes in an answer to a question. So I would say don't, which is the 5-hand modified coming out like that. One over top of the other, don't. That's a good sign to know if you're a parent. So you wanted to give your children like a command like, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't. You also know for negations that oftentimes the sign is the regular sign with a twist. In other words, if you were to say, I don't know, instead of saying no, I know, I don't know, I don't know. So the sign comes out like that, or like, don't like, don't like. So you see, not only is the sign a little bit different, but there's also the negation, the facial grammar showing negation. Remember, we learned in 4.1 the sign for don't want, as opposed to want, don't want. Remember, got to be a little bit of a ham, so you got to use that facial expression to explain what you're meaning. Just do doesn't cut it. Don't want. It's got to be emphatic. Got to use your head, your facial expression, your body too. There's another thing. Do you have any sisters? Going on to page 182. The answer, none. Or I have none, I have none, or none. Just simple none, depending on how you want to answer it. That's pretty much it for 4.1. So you have the signs for not. You already know no and yes. And for don't, and for none. Okay? See you soon.